Hello loved ones, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare the most delicious and authentic Ghanaian street side gobe or gari and beans with rice. Yes, it's been a while since I had this recipe, and this is how I truly enjoy my gobe or gari and beans whenever I go to my favorite joint or whenever I try this recipe. So please don't go nowhere. I want to share this with you and come with me and let's get started. Alright, so to get started, I already have water on the stove and I just washed my beans and I'm going to cook this, and after that please cover and have it boil. Next, we're going to enjoy with rice or anwamu on the side, and after you fry your onion, make sure that it is well cooked and is brown, and then you can go ahead and add your thin spaghetti in here. Yes, and then you have to let this spaghetti cook until it turns like a little goldish or a little darkish brown. Then you get to know that it is ready. So then wash your rice, any favorite rice of your choice, and add it in there. After you add your rice, make sure that you stir and everything is well and nice combined, and then heat hot water, and then you can add that as well. Depending on the amount of rice that you're cooking, make sure that you add the right water. Next, add your salt, stir, and make sure that you have the right taste, and then you just go ahead and cover it and have it steamed. On this side, I have my ripe plantain, aka Ghana cocoa or cocoa. That is how we usually call it in Ghana. So basically in this recipe you have to add this on the side. So that is what it goes with the gobe. That's what makes the gobe complete. So we are just gonna wash it and then we're gonna get it ready and we're gonna cut it into small sizes. Let's go ahead and check our rice because it looks like it's almost done. So I just shredded a little bit of carrots. This is an optional and you can add it in there. Yes, so next you can just go ahead and stir, make sure that everything is cooking really nicely. And after you stir your rice, don't over stir please, and then cover it and leave it to steam, but make sure that you lower the heat into a low heat. On this side, I have beans, it's still boiling, it is almost done. It's not completely, so I'm just gonna let it cook more because it is not done yet. And then let's go ahead and cut our plantain. In Ghana, no, a kokoni edriadi and say, and na echo. That's how we usually eat it. So just go ahead and cut it in whichever shape that you preferred. This is how I like to cut my ripe plantain. It is the easiest way. And after that, just go ahead and add a little bit of salt in it. So this one will bring the sweetness of the plantain, and that is what you need. Yeah, so this side, our rice is almost done. As you can tell, it looks really beautiful and so delicious. So let's go back to our beans. Our beans is also done, it's halfway done. So I just cut some onion and green onion and I'm gonna add it in there. Next, I'm gonna add my salt and I'm gonna add a little bit of hot pepper in here. So that way you'll have that spicy taste in your beans. This is an option though, but that is how I like mine. And if you haven't tried that before, please go ahead and try that because you will love this recipe. As we all know, we enjoy our gobe with palm oil. So I just preheated a little bit of palm oil. I just added my onion and I'm gonna add my spicy pepper right here. If you don't like spicy stuff, you can just skip this part. But as for me, I really love my pepper and just leave it to cook until ready. So on this side, I'm using coconut oil. You can use palm oil to fry your cocoa or your ripe plantain. That is usually what I do. But I like coconut oil, so that's what I'm using. But in Ghana, they prefer to use palm oil. So after your cocoa is done frying, everything is ready. You can just go ahead and dish them out. This is how my beans look. I like the softness of it. It looks so tender. And I really, really love my gobe with a lots of gari. Yes, some people prefer less, but I prefer more. That is my, favorite part of this recipe. And then just add your palm oil in there, just serve it whichever way that you like. In Ghana, was in so sanguna siguso sasieno, feguso, na uya onum. I just say be a complete. Just look at this dish. Oh. If you haven't tried this before, it is called Gari and beans mixed together and some ripe plantain. Yes, try this recipe. You cannot eat gari with just gari fufu or gari to. You can use gari in so many different dishes, and this is one of them. So whenever I go and buy my favorite gobe, I usually add some rice on the side. If you haven't tried this before, gari ni anwamo. And I gari and beans ni anwamo add the rough. So won't try that, Mr. Trebi here. And next, I'm adding avocado and some hot chili pepper right here, or pepper sauce. Yes, this will complete your dish. And right here is some egg with pepper in the middle. Just look at that, everything is ready and it tastes absolutely delicious. So please, I want you to try this recipe. This is how I prepare my authentic roadside gobe and rice and fried plantain with some avocados and a little bit of boiled egg on the side. So please do try this recipe and leave me some comment down there below, or if this is your favorite dish as well, please don't hesitate to tell me how you like yours. And this is how I really enjoy my gobe. I hope you truly enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please don't forget to share and like and comment. So I come your way. Stay safe and have a blessed day.